మైక్ పెట్టారా ఆడ అదే కాన్సెప్ట్ నవ్వుకొస్తాడు వాడికంటే కావాలి వాడి కావాల్సింది అదే ఇదే డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి అలాగే సార్ ఎందుకు వాడు కాల్ చేసి వీడియో డౌన్లోడ్ చేసింది మనోడు మన సెల్లో నుంచి వాడు అనుకున్నాడు ఇది పెడితే బాగా ఇంప్రెస్ అయిపోతాను ఇదే ఉండదు దీనికి మునిగిలో కూడా ఉన్నాడు సార్
This is Nokia N900. This is one of the top mobile of our company. But this mobile cost is very high. That's why we are introducing similarly add to the features or with anti-mobile radiation chip. Nokia Inspire. This is Nokia Inspire mobile. We clearly observe in this mobile that touch keypad, 3.2 touch screen mobile and QWERTY keypad and 3G calling front camera, and we will see the specifications of mobile. Specifications. Product Nokia, model name Inspire, internal memory 400 MB, external memory microSD, flash up to 16 GB. Colors available in this mobile, white and black. And design and display. Size 113.4 into 53 into 6.8 millimeters. Weight with battery 150 grams. Volume 80 cubic centimeter. Screen size 3.2 screen. Resolution 640 into 360 high definition screen, and up to 16.7 million colors available in this one. Camera photo is available in the JPEG and other formats. Camera pixels, 2 megapixel in this mobile. We will give the picture. Video playback also available in this mobile. Video playback format supported to the MP4 and AVI and FLV and 3GP formats. And video output also available. Zoom system also available in the camera. Zoom up to 4x digital. And main features of the technology 3G means third generation. The 3G speed is 3.6 Mbps. Mbps means megabytes per second. Edge technology. Now we are all using to edge technology. That means 2G technology, second generation. 324 kbytes per second. Sensors, accelerometers and touch. GPS means global positioning system. GPS uses to set the satellite and set the maps and navigation effect. And Wi-Fi means wireless technology using to network. Wi-Fi also available in 802.11 locations. Bluetooth connectivity also available in this phone. Music is also available in this phone. MP3 player, it supports MP3 format and MP4 formats and mini MP formats. And FM also available in the FM stereo. FM also contains stereo. Software in this phone games downloadable Java S2.1. OS means operating system. Symbian like software is Nokia produces Symbian system by Nokia software. And browser Web 2.0 HTML means architecture manipulation language. Streaming also available in this one. Browser capability to stream the YouTube videos, browser different browsers. PC sync also available in this institute. We connect the personal computers and we will access the internet in PCs. Network GSM means global system for mobile communication, available in S. And CDMA means for device access mobile communications. It not supported. Talk time GSM for 20 minutes. Standby time GSM 400 hours. Profiles is supported. Flight mode, yes, profile based. And other features, document where in the office we will work the MS Word and MS Excel, PowerPoint and PDF. PDF means portable document format. Ebook reader. Ebook reader is also available in this mobile. Yes, it's supported. It is one of the advantages for students, especially ebook reader. Tools. Social networking sites are also available in this one, like Facebook, MySpace, Outlook, Twitter, and YouTube also available in the one of the application. Keypad. Keypad, two types of keypad available, touch and QWERTY. Financial aspects, price of product, rupees 7,999, include all taxes, production units 1 lakh, expected revenue per annum 79.99 crores, advertising cost 10 crores. Marketing aspects, launching areas, we will launch the product India-wide, manufacturing location, we have one manufacturing location in India, that is Chennai. Ad media, we will give the ads, electronic media and mass media, target customers to use. Our brand ambassador, all of you know, thank you everyone. We will prepare one ad for this mobile. Please watch. And mobile ad name is Mr. Prakash Chandra.